Find out what your collaborators really think with the voting feature in Mural. To start a voting session, select the voting session icon in the top toolbar and select Start Voting Session. Assign a name for your voting session and select how many votes each person will get. Decide who can end the voting session and select what types of items or objects in the mural people will be able to vote on. Finally, choose whether you want to collect votes on the entire canvas or just on a selected area. If you choose a selected area, you'll be prompted to put boundaries around the area you'd like people to vote on. Select Start to begin the voting session. All participants will be notified that the voting session has begun. During the voting session, you can monitor how many people are still voting at the top of your mural. End the session at any time by selecting End Voting Session. Once the voting session is over, the results will appear on the participants' screens. If you want to revisit the results page again, select the voting icon and select the Show Results page. The Show Votes option will allow you to see which items and objects the votes were placed on. The number of votes per item or object will appear with a circle. Happy collaborating!